Matatag Curriculum Guide. What is Matatag Curriculum Guide? Matatag is an update of the Philippines education system that aims to improve high its begin with kindergarten to grade 10, really focusing on reading, math, and life skill. It emphasized core abilities students need, like reading well, doing numbers, and learning stuff for jobs and daily life. The K-12 basic education program in the Philippines aims to address local and global educational needed for the strengths of Filipinos' value, fostering nationalism. Matatag Curriculum Guided. Matatag is an update of the Philippines education system that aims to improve things. It's begin with kindergarten to grade 10, really focusing on reading, math, and life skill. It emphasized core abilities students need, like reading well, doing numbers, and learning stuff for jobs and daily life. K-12 basic education program in the Philippines aim to address local and global educational needs by the strengthening Filipinos' value, fostering nationalism, culminating productive citizen, ensuring environment sustainability, and promoting global partnership. This program represents a significant educational reform intending to equip Filipinos learners with 21st century skills and bring the country basic education system up to international standard. The K-12 program has faced is the share of challenges. Despite its implementation national and international standards, assessment have shown no significant improvement in the academic performance of Filipino students. Additional, involving research on learning process and the changing need of the children promotes are re-examinations and incitement of curriculum. The Department of Education, in collaboration with the Assessment Curriculum and Technology Research Center, embark on a comprehensive review of the curriculum to identify areas of improvement and ultimately elevate the quality of basic education. Matatag Bansang Makabata, Batang Makabansa. The Matatag Agenda, Bansang Makabata, Batang Makabansa is a cornerstone of the current administration's educational strategy, addressing fundamental challenge in a basic education. This agenda focuses on making the curriculum more relevant, accelerating the delivery of educational facilities, and a service ensuring learners' well-being and inclusive and providing support to the teachers. On the quality of learning of student, indicators of the result to ensure the effectiveness of education reforms. Baseline, data, and indicators are essential national and international assessment, including the National Assessment Test. Early early language literacy and numeric assessment and a basic education's exist assessment provide the valuable insight into the stage of the basic educations. This assessment highlight areas where improvement are needed to particular in 21st century skills like problem solving, information literacy.
So, magandang umaga sa lahat. Ako nga pala ang pangalawang reporter sa Group 3 or mag-uulat sa pangkat 3. Ang aking tatalakayin ay Matatag K-10 Curriculum of K-12 Program. So, meron tayo dito matatag, meron tayo MA, TA, TE, at G. So, make the curriculum relevant to produce job, ready, achieve, and responsible citizen. TA take steps to accelerate the delivery of basic education service, and provision of facilities. TA take scapegoat care learners by promoting learner well-being, inclusive education, and positive learners. Education and positive learner environment. G. Give support for teacher to teach better. So, dito sa MA, dapat daw gawin, may kaugnayan ang kurikulum upang makabuo ng mga mamamayang handa sa trabaho, aktibo at responsible na tao. So, dito naman sa TA, gumawa daw ng mga hakbang upang mapabilis ang paghahatid ng mga serbisyo sa pangunahing edukasyon at mga probisyon ng mga pasilidad. Dito naman sa TE, alagaan mabuti ang mga mag-aaral sa pamamagitan ng pagtataguyod ng kalinangan ng mag-aaral, inklusibong edukasyon at posibong edukasyon sa pagkatuto at posibong kapaligiran sa pag-aaral. So, dito dapat sa TA, positive ang lahat. Positive para sa estudyante, alagaan ng mga estudyante at dapat siguraduhin na maganda ang kanilang kapaligiran. For example na lang ang kanilang silid-aralan. Dapat siguraduhin na matututo ang mga mag-aaral sa pagtuturo ng mga guro. So, dito naman tayo sa G, magbigay ng suporta para sa mga guro upang magturo ng mas mahusay. So, halimbawa na lamang dito sa pagbigay ng suporta sa mga guro, yung mga gobyerno, dapat magbigay sila ng kaunting tulong para sa mga mag-aaral. Halimbawa na lamang magbigay sila ng mga kagamitan sa pagturo, katulad na lamang ng laptop at iba pang pwedeng gamitin ng mga teachers sa kanilang pagtuturo sa paaralan.
And now, let's move on to DepEd Memorandum 054S 2023. Pilot implementation of the Matatak curriculum. The Matatak agenda was launched as the new direction of the Department of Education, DepEd, towards improving the quality of basic education in country. To help attain the commitment articulated in the Matatak agenda, DepEd has adopted DepEd Order number 013S 2023. Adoption of the National Learning Recovery Program, NLRP, in the Department of Education. These include the implementation of the revised curriculum, otherwise known as the Matatak curriculum. The Matatak curriculum has the following figures: decongested curriculum, focus on foundational skills, balanced cognitive demands, clear articulation of 21st century skills, reduced learning areas, intensified values education and peace education, and go on afar with international standard. Decongested curriculum. The fact of decongesting the curriculum, reducing overcrowding, and focusing on the essential elements of learning has profound implication for learners' educational experiences. Foundation skills are the competencies that underpin workforce participation, productivity, and social inclusion. They include English language, literacy, numeracy, and digital, and employability skills. Cognitive demands. There are 4 levels of cognitive demands: memorization, procedures without connection, procedures without connections, and doing mathematics. Peace education is the process of acquiring values, knowledge, attitudes, skills, and behaviors to live in harmony with oneself, others, and the natural environment. These are numerous United Nations Declaration and resolution on the importance of peace. And now, let's move to Matatak K-12 curriculum. In grade 1, there are reading and literacy, language, mathematics, makabansa, at GMRC. In grade 2, there are English, Mathematics, Makabansa at GMRC. In grade 3, there are also English, Mathematics, Makabansa, GMRC at Science. To grade 6, there are also English, Mathematics, Science, Araling Panlipunan, Technology, Livelihood Education, MAPE, and GMRC. In grade 7 to grade 10, there are also English, Mathematics, Science, Araling Panlipunan, Technology, Livelihood Education, MAPE, and GMRC.